the land of mythical beauty, Dehradun. A pilgrimage tour to the Chardham situated in the mystical mountain ranges of the Himalayas is considered to be a journey to heaven. Pilgrims who have previously indulged in the yatra. And we are offering this magical journey to you with the luxury of a helicopter. Day 1, Dehradun to Yamunotri. Departure at 7 am from Sahasradhara helipad, Dehradun. Arrival at 7:45 am at Kharsali helipad, Yamunotri. As soon as you reach the Sahasradhara helipad in Dehradun, your journey to the religious Chardham situated in Himalayas will begin. Your baggage will be safely taken to your hotel by the ground staff. A palki service will be arranged for the trek of 6 kilometers towards the Yamunotri temple. The time for the total journey will be approximately 5 hours and 30 minutes. Day 2, Yamunotri to Gangotri. Departure at 7:45 am from Kharsali helipad, Yamunotri. And arrival at 8:30 am at Harsil helipad, Gangotri. The Gangotri temple is situated at a distance of 22 kilometers from the helipad. Day 3, Gangotri to Kedarnath. Departure at 9 am from Harsil helipad, Gangotri. And arrival at 10 am at Kedarnath helipad in Kedarnath. Today, after a scrumptious breakfast, we will be heading towards the next dham, the Kedarnath Mandir. We will be flying to the Sirsa helipad first. After arrival at the Sirsa, we will change the chopper to forward journey to the Kedarnath helipad. The temple of Kedarnath is situated at a distance of around 500 kilometers from here. Trek along the way to the magical Kedarnath temple, flanked with breathtaking views of the snow-capped mountains while registering the majestic valley in your minds. Once your darshan is completed, we will return back. Day 4, Kedarnath to Badrinath. Departure at 10 am from Sirsi helipad, Gupta Kashi. Arrival at 11 am at Badrinath helipad in Badrinath. Badrinath Temple. According to the Hindu legend, Lord Shiva discovered a black stone image of Lord Badri Narayan made of saligram in the nearby Alaknanda river. You will be transferred to Badrinath helipad from Guptakash after checking out from your hotel. Indulge in the Badrinath exclusive Mahabhishek Puja arranged for you at the temple by us. After spending some time at the sacred temple, you will be returned to your hotel for lunch and rest. In the evening, we will be visiting the Mana village situated nearby. Mana is known to be the last Indian village on the Indo-China border and is referred to as the tourism village by the Uttarakhand government. The village gives you a scenic and mesmerizing view of the Himalayan mountain ranges surrounding the village. After the stay, you will return to your hotel for dinner and overnight stay. Day 5, Badrinath to Dehradun. Departure at 10 am from Badrinath helipad, Badrinath. And arrival at 11 am at Sahasradhara helipad in Dehradun. Today will be your last morning in the journey of a lifetime to the Chardham Yatra by helicopter. Wake up, have your breakfast, remember your journey from start to end as you get transferred to the railway station or airport of Dehradun. and finally bid adieu to the land of gods, Uttarakhand. Guidelines for passengers. Only 5 kg luggage per passenger will be permitted since there is very limited space for luggage in the chopper. Excess baggage would not be allowed in the chopper. Only handbags are to be carried. All temples in Chardham are located in high altitude areas. Passengers are advised to carry regular medical kit. At these locations, it becomes cold throughout, so passengers are advised to carry woolen clothes with them. Children above the age of 2 years will be considered for full ticket. There is no provision of concession to children or senior citizens. All properties lodge with hot water, towels, shower and western toilets. Terms and conditions. Available hotel properties at Yamunotri are non-star category, but we do manage to provide a clean and comfortable stay. However, at other destinations like Harsil, Guptakashi and Badrinath, the accommodation standard is up to 4-star. Hotels can be changed with similar available options if given hotel will be sold out. All foreign nationals are required to obtain tourist visa to visit India. Booking has to be done in advance with a deposit of 50% of the charter amount. Full amount has to be deposited 14 days prior to the date of journey. For additional accommodation other than 4N 5D, during the trip, guests will have to pay extra charge for the same. Points to remember. Elevation of Chardham sector. Yamunotri 3,291 meters. Gangotri 3,415 meters. Kedarnath 3,553 meters. Badrinath 3,300 meters. Note: the elevation of all dhams is quite less than Rohtang Pass, which suggests that if you have visited Rohtang Pass 3,978 meters before, you will not face any breathing issue. Still, we advise you to walk slow and catch your breath while trekking. Things to carry: regular medical kit, wind cheater, sports shoes, sunglasses, sunscreen, flashlight, dry fruits if required, ID card and emergency contact number. Clothing. No restriction for clothing while you enter in temple. For ladies, we advise to ignore wearing saris if possible. Salwar kameez, jeans and trousers will be preferable. Telecom Network, BSNL and Jio is best to have. Otherwise, other network is also available at all sites, sometime with a limited network.